Ever wondered how those savvy investors seem to always be a step ahead? How they manage to grow their wealth effortlessly while the rest of us struggle to make ends meet? Well, the secret might just lie in a little-known investment strategy called dollar-cost averaging. And today, we're going to dive deep into a platform that makes this strategy a breeze, Raiz. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. Imagine you had a magic money tree. Every week, a few coins would fall from its branches, right? Now, instead of spending those coins, you decided to save them. Over time, as more and more coins accumulated, your savings would grow. That's essentially what dollar-cost averaging is all about. Raiz is like your personal magic money tree, but instead of coins, it's investing small amounts of money regularly. It's a set-and-forget investment app that takes the stress out of investing. You simply connect your bank account, choose your investment strategy, and let Raiz do the rest. How Raiz works. Here's how it works. 1. Connect your bank account. Link your bank account to Raiz. 2. Choose your investment strategy. Raiz offers a variety of investment strategies, from conservative to aggressive. Choose the one that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. 3. Set your investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest regularly. You can start as low as $10 per week. 4. Sit back and relax. Raiz will automatically invest your chosen amount at regular intervals, typically weekly or monthly. So, what's the magic behind dollar-cost averaging? Well, it's all about smoothing out the ups and downs of the market. By investing regularly, you're buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This helps you average out the cost of your investment over time. Benefits of Raiz. There are several benefits to using Raiz. Accessibility. It's easy to use, even for beginners. Affordability. You can start investing with small amounts. Flexibility. You can adjust your investment amount and strategy as needed. Diversification. Raiz invests your money across a variety of assets, reducing your risk. Automation. It takes the hassle out of investing. So, if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and effective way to invest your money, Raiz is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful tool that can help you build wealth over time, without the stress and complexity of traditional investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.